Okay, for guitar, we're going to have the same chords, but we're going to try them in a different order here for 6-string guitar. The first chord, again, is going to be the C major, but we're going to do an abbreviation of that one. This is first finger, first fret, second string. It's 3 strings that you're strumming down the bottom. So that's a C major. Then we're going to go up to an abbreviation of the G major chord. That's third finger, third fret, first string. Also a 3-string chord. And then we're going to move to our traditional A major open, and that is first finger back on the second fret of the first fret of the second string, as and then with the C major chord. Now we're adding middle finger on our 4th string, 2nd fret, ring finger on third string, 2nd fret as well, and this is a 5-string strum. And we're going to finish out with an abbreviation of the F major chord. We're going to take that finger and just sit it down and bar the 1st and 2nd string, 1st fret. And I like to bring my ring finger, 3rd finger, over to the 3rd string, 2nd fret for our final F major abbreviated chord. And this is a 3-stringer. For the 4th-string bass, we have the same notes, but we're just going to be playing the roots of those notes, and they are C. This is going to be 3rd string, 3rd fret, 3rd finger. There's your C, followed by the G. We're going to go to the low G, which is going to be 4th string, 3rd fret, right behind it. And then we're going to go to the open A, which is open 3rd string. And then we're going to go to the low F, which is 4th string, 1st fret. Piano, we're going to play the C chord in root position, so that's going to be C, E, and G. And that's with the left hand for the 5 on the C, 3rd finger on the E, and the thumb on the G. We're going to drop the pinky down to the B and drop the middle finger down to the D for a first inversion G major chord. We're going to drop all fingers down to root position for the A minor chord. That's A, C, and E with the 5-3-1 fingering. And then for the last chord, the F major, we are just going to bring that thumb up for first inversion F major. That's an A, C, and F. Okay, so the first one is going to be C. That's going to be our ring finger, 3rd fret, 1st string. I'm going to move that ring finger over to the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and bring down my 1st and middle finger. Middle finger's on the 1st string, 2nd fret. 1st finger is going to be on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Kind of looks like an upside down triangle. And then we're going to move it to A minor, which is going to be just a middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then we're going to add to that the 2nd string, 1st fret, and that is our F major.